Checking the battery health of your phone or a used phone before buying it is essential. While it's easy to check this directly in an iPhone settings, most Android phones lack a built-in health indicator. Fortunately, on Samsung Galaxy devices, you can uncover the true battery health and exact charge cycle count to determine how much life is truly left under the hood. So let's see how to do that. Alright, we can find the true battery health on Galaxy devices using a secret code. But this code won't work if you have the auto blocker option enabled. You can check this by going to your device settings, then security and privacy. If it is enabled, go ahead and disable it for now. You can easily enable it again when you're done. Now launch your default phone dialer and enter this code. The hidden system dump menu will appear instantly. Tap on the run dump state/logcat option. This compiles a massive text file of your background activities and system diagnostics. It takes about 3 minutes, so be patient. Once it's finished, tap OK. Next, tap the copy to SD card option. Don't worry if your phone doesn't have an SD card. The file will be saved to your phone's internal storage. Once it's done copying, tap OK and exit the menu. Now head over to the Play Store and download this Log Viewer app. Launch it and tap anywhere on its homepage to open a file. Navigate to your phone's internal storage, find the log folder and look for the file starting with dump state. It'll be around 200 megabytes because it is a massive snapshot of your phone's real-time diagnostic data. Now to find the real battery health, we need to search for a specific text string. To do that, tap the 3 dots, click Find Text, type msave battery asok and hit enter. This text could be case sensitive depending on the Log Viewer app you use. As soon as you hit enter, you'll see your real battery health relative to its brand new state. As you can see, my battery health is at 98%, which is excellent. Right below it, the line msave battery usage represents the lifetime charge cycles. Divide this number by 100 to get the exact cycle count. Since it also counts micro plugins and plug-and-play sessions, my charge cycle count is massive after more than 2 years of use. And that is how you uncover the true battery health on your Samsung Galaxy device. Try it out and let me know your phone's battery health and charge cycle count in the comments below. Drop a like if this was helpful and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.